Hey guys, this is Mahesh, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to find out square root of non-perfect square number by division method. Okay guys, so let us start to solve this example. Our given number is 496, and as you can see over here, this given number is not a decimal number, but we can convert it into decimal number by putting 0 in front of it. There is no necessity to take these zeros always. As we can see what asked in the question, we have to find out the square root correct up to 3 places of decimal. So we have to take these zeros. If we don't take it, then also there is no problem. I will tell how we can deal with without taking these zeros also. Okay, so you know that we have to group this number from right to left. So 96 will be the first group, 4 will be the other group, and after decimal point these two zeros will be the first group and these two zeros will be another group. Okay, let me put two lines together. So we will start with this 4. Okay, what is the perfect square number which is equal to or less than this 4? You know, 4 itself is a perfect square number. So we will put minus sign over here, and we have to take the 2, that is square root of 4, or simply we'll say the square of 2 is 4, that is why we took 2 over here. Similarly, we will take 2 over here too. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is 0. Then another group will come down as it is. 96 is the another group. Then we will double the digit. We will double this 2 and we'll write over here. We'll keep space to write the number in front of this 4, and will multiply by the whole this number by the number we took over here, and the multiplication we have to write over here. But the multiplication should be equal to or less than this 96. Now let me try with 1. 41 into 1. If I take 1 in the place of this underscore, then what will be the multiplication? 41 will be the multiplication, which is quite less than this 96. Let us take another number, 42 into 2, so it will be 84. Yeah, it could be possible to take 84, but let us check what happens with 3. 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 4 is 12. So which is greater than this 96, so 84 is the correct number to take over here. But as the multiplication over here is 84, for that purpose which number we have to take over here? 2, and here 2. So 42 into 2 is 84. 96 minus 84 is 12, and here too we need to write 2, as 2 we taken over here in front of 4. Okay guys, so 12 is the remainder. Now you know that we are just going to cross this decimal point. We have to put decimal point here too. Now we will take these two zeros in front of this 12. Okay, so this 22 will get doubled and we will write here, so 44, and we are going to keep one space over here to write one number just after 4, and will multiply this whole number by the number we are going to take here in the place of this space. So what do we want? We want multiplication 1200. So let us try with 1. It is not possible, you know that. Let us take 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Here it will be 8. It is also not possible. Let us take another number, 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. So which is also not possible, because 1329 number is greater than this 1200. So we have to take this 884 number. So 884 number we will take over here. Just after this 4, what we have to put? 2. So 2 will come here, 2 will come here too, and 2 will come here too. Okay, let us subtract 884 from 1200. It will come 6, 1 and 3, and here these two zeros will come as it is. You know that if we don't keep these zeros here in given number, we can directly take two zeros. keep in mind we can't take 1 0. We have to take 2 zeros at one time, because 2 zeros is nothing but the one group after decimal point. Okay guys, so number over here is now 31600 and the number over here is 22.2. We have to consider it as 222, just neglecting this decimal point. The number over here, this number will get doubled over here, so 4 will be the number over here. We will keep space to write one more number in front of this 4, and here too same number will appear. And let us check which number should fit over here. Let us check with this. Let us take 1 in front of 444 and check how much will be the number coming after it. 4441. So which is not the correct number. Let us try another number, 4442. As this is quite less than the required number, let us take somewhat bigger number, 4445 into 5. It is 22225. Okay, which is also not quite which is also not enough, as the given number is much bigger than this number. Let us try another number, 4447 into 7. This number comes 31,129. Okay, so I think this is the appropriate number to take over here. Let us write that number, 31,129. Okay guys, as 7 is the number we took over here, we will write 7 here, 7 here, and the multiplication of this 4447 into 7 is written over here, and here too we have to write 7. So the difference over here will be 471, and more 2 zeros we are going to take over here. Okay, as we can add 2 zeros over here, these 2 zeros we are going to take over here. All right, so let us do the same step again. What will be the next step? Next step will be, we have to find out this 47100 or less than 47100 here to subtract from the same number. For that purpose, we will double the quotient present over here for this instance. So 2227 into 2 will be 4454. 4454 is the number we are going to take, as we are just doubling this quotient present for this instance, and we are writing it over here. We are going to keep one space over here as to add one more number just after this 4. Let us try to solve it by taking 14541 into 1. How much it will be? It will be equal to 44541, and you can check this is the nearby number to this 47100, and if we take 2 over here, it will become quite a big number than the required number. So this is the appropriate number we have to take over here. So 1 will come here and 1 will come here too, and of course 1 will come here too. Okay guys, so let me write the number here, 44541. So whatever the subtraction will come, we don't have to write over here, because we got 1 over here and we got 3 digits after decimal points, and 22.271 is the square root of 496, correct up to 3 decimal points. Okay guys, so this is what our final answer. I hope guys you got it. If you have found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.